Hey guys, I'm back. This is Tony with Team Sarge Performance. I made a couple videos earlier kind of going through a few things I bought on Amazon. And one of the coolest things I think are these doorstep that go on your right there on the door frame hinges. Now you can see right here they got a good grip that pops out. Now a lot of times you're thinking, well, what do I need that for? Well, the biggest issue is when you get a big Jeep like this rolling on 37s, you got a hard time reaching up there and cleaning the windshield. So these will be perfect. Fold them out. They mount right there to the door frame. You can get up there, clean your windshield, or put your soft top back on. Very convenient. So one of the things I did add was the one side adhesive foam. You can see that there. It's real easy. You just stick it on there, trim around it. And what that's going to do is once this secures against the Jeep, it's not going to allow it to scratch the paint. So when you ever remove them off, or if you switch out your doors, you can put these right back on. There's not going to be any paint scratch behind it. Now, like I said, those were from Voodoo and Allah, and they're about a little less than 45 bucks. So check them out on Amazon. Voodoo and Allah, less than 45 bucks, but they're very durable, and they got a nice star in there. So get you a set. I'm going to throw this one on real quick to show you how they look. So, utilizing my Jeep kit from J.E. Carr off Amazon, we're going to go ahead and give these things a try real quick. One size up, but luckily in the kit we got multiple sizes that's going to fit all these Allen keys. One thing you'll notice when you remove these bolts is these are no longer going to be long enough, plus they have a nice beveled head. So what they did is they included new bolts with the kit, but save these in case you ever want to take them off. So now we're going to be moving to these Allen socket heads. And that's it. There you got it, folks. Got those on. Less than 5-6 minutes. Real quick install. Let's see how sturdy they are. All right. Well, I'm about 150 pounds, and see, they hold me just fine. So, like I said, those are really going to help you out. You know, on the trails, wherever, out in the parking lot, you need to put the top back on, clean the windshield. They're going to be great. They look great and easy to install. So check them out. Like I said, Voodoo Jeep hinge steps, a little less than 45 bucks, and they're definitely worth the money.